We're gonna be fixing my door handles issue. It actually looks the exact same. It's kind of funny. And it does say Subaru on it. Oh shit, I already lost some stuff. God damn it. This is how like a GT3RS would feel. Yeah, that feels nice. Okay. Is this rice?
It feels like a GT3 now. Oh, there was a collision right there.
Alright, what's up you guys? Today we're gonna be fixing my door handles issue by going ahead and replacing the door handles on my 2016 Subaru BRZ. So we have something from Did Upholstery right here. Got the door handles. What's so special about these ones is that they're not like the factory ones. They're actually gonna be door handles like as if they were out of a GT3RS. I know this seems kind of ricer of me to be putting these in the car, but I honestly thought that they would be pretty cool to go ahead and check out, test out, because my door handles have been cutting my hands every time I try and open it. So give me the perfect opportunity, why not try it? So let's go ahead and get to the install. So first things first, in the actual Did Upholstery kit itself, they include 2 of the replacements for where your door handles would actually be. Usually the door handle would kind of come across here, and this is where you pull it open, but they put an Alcantara little thing above it to hide where the handle would actually be pulled. So it comes with the same like latches. It actually looks the exact same. That's kind of funny. Maybe this is from factory actually, because this does say made in Japan and it does say Subaru on it. Well, these are from factory, so you're getting factory quality just with the little added touches from Did Upholstery. That's honestly pretty smart of them. Also in the kit, you're gonna get a little bag, and in this bag it's gonna include the 2 little pull straps, pull tabs for your car. I got mine in black Alcantara with red stitching. They have plenty of different colors on the website you can go ahead and check out, but this one I thought would kind of match my car the best since my seats are black with red stitching, as well as everything else in my car is black with red stitching. So I thought this would kind of fit the OEM look of the car. And yeah, on top of these comes with a little 3D printed wrench that you're gonna go ahead and use for tightening on the little Allen key nuts and bolts that are on the actual pull tab itself. So that being said, next step is going to be taking off the door cards from the door and replacing the little thing. So let me show you how to do that real quick. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see me, but if you own a first gen FRS BRZ 86, you know about the door issue. Actually, it's an issue or a convenience depending on how you look at it. But with these cars, we have self-closing doors, automatic self-closing doors. What I mean by that is the door closes on itself, not when you're just on a hill, but even if you're on completely flat and level ground, this door will close for you, which is kind of funny. So to combat this, I went ahead and added a bottle to where the door would normally close, and that's just holding open the door for right now. So while I do my thing with the car, that is holding the door open since mine won't stay open on its own. So little tip for you guys. All right, so now starting with the actual instruction on how to take apart the door card, you're gonna have to pop this little tab open. There's gonna be a little screw in here. You're gonna undo this one. Same thing down here with the door handle. Pop off this cover right here. There's another, I think, couple screws in here. Pop clip on the front, and I think you just pull apart the entire thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the inside. Black goop everywhere. As you can see on the inside of this door card, you're gonna have some connections. To take off the door card, you'd undo this harness. There's also one at the bottom. However, that one's not currently plugged in on my car. Not too sure why. And then for the little handles, I believe you just pull up on them and you kind of just push them through and out. They should just pop right out like that. These are gonna dangle here. And now the latch is free. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the little screws on the back side of the little door card, and we're gonna replace it with the new one. Let's take this thing off. All right, cool. Okay, so little pull tabs are going to go on the green one. I believe that this should just slide on. So you have the little ball go through the bottom of the plate. You're gonna have it on the side with the nuts, and then we're gonna go ahead and tighten this down with the little tool that came with the kit. And then we're also gonna use the Allen key on the reverse side to tighten it down. You don't wanna tighten it down all the way just so that the little face of, or the nuts, the bolt is at the face of the nut, and that's as far as you kind of want to go. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it through. So let's tighten this thing down. Kind of excited. Oh shit, I already lost some stuff. God damn it.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so whole door card is now back on the car. This thing looks pretty sick, I'm gonna be honest. It like matches the car perfectly. Granted, I don't have a lot of Alcantara in my car. Actually, I don't think I have any Alcantara in my car. Yeah, all this is just like plastic. The stitching matches the color of the car, the little pull tab. I feel like red tabs in the future would look kind of cool to make it look more like a race car, but I kind of wanted this thing to look just clean for now. I did want to show you guys the comparison between the pull tab and the actual OEM handle on the car though. So let me show you that really quickly, and then after that I want to get Andrew and Matt's reaction to seeing them later, because I haven't told them that I was going to install them on the car, and I kind of want to see if they make a GT3RS reference. Andrew might be like, this is how like a GT3RS would feel. So damn, now I just feel like I'm poor. I'm really grateful for everything I have, by the way. But is this rice? Yeah, that feels nice. Okay, let me show you the other side. Ow. Alright, so for the mod today, I would say that the easiness of the install is a 1 out of 10. I felt like this was the easiest thing that I've honestly had to install on my car. All it is a couple screws, pop clips, pop, I don't even know what you call it. Pop out some clips, some more screws, and then just an Allen key and 3D printed wrench that they sent you. I mean, some pretty most straightforward thing. I don't think you can even go wrong with this install at all. But yeah, I would say it's a 1 out of 10 difficulty. Practicality of this thing, I would say, is honestly like not very high. Obviously, you can just reuse the OEM door handles, and honestly, that would probably be more functional for the car itself. It just looks wise, I would say it looks pretty cool. I want a GT3RS. It's like the closest thing I'll probably get in my lifetime, but we will see. So yeah, this thing's pretty sick. It works really well. Door locks. It's basically like I have a brand new handle here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this on the car for a while, kind of see how it goes. But the main thing I want to do is meet up with Matt and Andrew and see what they say about this. So let's go meet up with them. Okay, both of them are mic'd up. I'm here with Matt and Andrew now. We're gonna go ahead and send him to the car. So let's go to the car.
Did he already install something?
Oh my god, it's wider.
He was telling me how he just bought something today for his car, but he's like, it's gonna be a surprise. But now we're just going to fucking see it.
I low-key think that when you were saying like, oh, we're gonna look at blah blah, I was messing with the mic, so it's just gonna be like loud as fuck and you can't hear it. Oh my god, you got new wheels.
What's the door tabs?
Was
probably.
it?
I think so. I would assume so. Because he got them the
You
other
missed
day.
the door.
Is that an accident? What the fuck?
Oh, there was a collision right there.
That car with the hazards on? Oh shit. Was there?
Yeah.
Is it that truck or what is it? What did they hit?
The guy in
Oh, there's a
front.
car. Oh, there's a car behind.
Oh.
Should we run over there? That was a lot of boom. How many booms does that get?
It's one big boom.
That was just one big boom. Interesting.
Okay. No, we can't see it. Like
It's literally just
shaded by a
dark.
shadow.
Sheesh.
Oh, it looks nice actually. If it matches the stitching.
Wait, was this stitching always the same?
Yeah.
It's always been red, right? Yeah, it actually matches perfect.
There's homeless people yelling.
So we can talk about Derek now because he can't hear us, but you guys can still hear us. So let's just talk shit about Derek. Let's talk hella shit.
Short as fuck.
Why?
So I can't film you.
Oh.
Never mind, guys. We can't talk shit about him. He wants us to roll down the windows.
So short.
What's the reason for pulling this over? It works like a door. That's pretty sick. I feel like it's pretty cool. It's gonna take some getting used to though.
Yeah, look, I can't pull it this way. I have to pull it like that
Wait, no,
way.
you can't pull it that way. I pulled it that way. Watch.
I feel like it's gonna break. Oh yeah.
That's pretty sick. It feels like a GT3 now. I don't know if the door handle's in it. GT2RS. Pretty sick. We're just gonna break it. Oh, you can use it to close too. That's pretty sick.
There's a door handle.
Oh, now look.
Unless you pull it too.
It was bouncing.
That's pretty sick.
How long did it take?
Like 2 seconds. It was actually the easiest install
Yeah?
I've ever done.
No problems.
No problems.
No problemos.
It's really easy.
You know, be a big problem. I just cut the strap.
Do it.
To be continued.
Oh shit, I already lost some stuff. God damn it. How much you guys been drinking tonight?
Enough. Is that it, officer? Is that it, Ossifa?